Today, we're cooking up some Texas raised beef tenderloin. That's right, guys, I'm selling my Texas beef kick, and I have two beautiful beef tenderloin fillets from Evridge Farms. Guys, this is Texas raised Akaushi beef. We're gonna do a reverse sear on these, get them to a nice medium rare, and give them a try. Hello there, I am Chef Johnny. This is Texas style barbecue and cuisine, and this is Texas raised Akaushi beef. Guys, we're gonna cook these up on the Weber kettle. I like the Weber kettle. If you don't have one, look into it because they are just really nice on all the different things you can do on them. But anyways, we're gonna do a little offset cook. Then at the end, we're gonna put them up on top of our grill grates and get some nice hatch marks on top of these fillets. So come in close. Let me show you how I season them, how I get them onto that Weber kettle, and then of course, how they turn out. So stick around. All right, you can see their logo there. They ship these out packed in dry ice, guys. They look nice. Do a little bit of molding. If you wanted to wrap your bacon around them and do a bacon wrap fillet, you could do that too. I'm not doing that tonight. Try to kind of take them and mold them. You see this is going toward the tail of that fillet. So this isn't up in the middle, so it's not quite as uniform as this one is. But I bet you it's still gonna taste good. There's nice marbling, which we don't always look for in a fillet. And a little silver skin here. Probably wouldn't hurt to trim that off. But this part here is kind of the tail end. I bet if you ask them for some center parts, they would send you that. We're gonna put these on the grill, guys, and we're gonna take that grill up to, around 300. We're gonna put these on the grill, take them up to about 115, sear them off, let them rest, and then see how they turn out. All I'm putting on them, guys, is some cracked pepper and some salt, sea salt. Sea salt, kind of a coarse grind on it. And here comes the lady. I'm gonna have to give you a look at her in a minute. She adopted us the other day. She come wandering up, skin and bones. She decided we looked like it was a good place to stick around, so we now have a new dog. Just roll these around. Let them sit there, gain a little bit of what we call room temp, right? Don't want them room temp out here. I think it's 100 something today, but anyways. There we go, nice looking steaks. And here in a minute, we'll get them on the Weber kettle. Let's take these fillets. Again, we're gonna go offset. Guys, I have got some mesquite lump charcoal on here, a little bit of briquettes, and there's some pieces of mesquite wood in there. So we're gonna put a little smoke on it, take them up to about that 115 mark. Let's get the lid back on there and wait till they get to 115 degrees. And I had this set for an offset cook. So we have the foil in the bottom, the slow and sears on this side, so all the air is coming through the slow and sear, and it'll flow back across our meat and out our exhaust. So offset cook, to start off with, take them up to 115. These are reading 115 internal, so we're gonna take them over and start searing them. So let's pick it up. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Gonna go about 90 seconds, and then we're gonna turn them. This one's pointed at 2 o'clock. If this was 12, I'll turn over and I'm gonna take it to 10. Right there. Same way with this one. Gonna go back over again And again, we're gonna go 10 o'clock this time. Let's try this one, 10 o'clock. Oh yeah, starting to get a nice sear on them. All right, let's take these back and we're gonna face them back at 2 o'clock again. Boy, would you look at that? Beautiful hatch mark. Let's go back up there, let it rest. Got that one. We're gonna let these sit for about 10 minutes. Then we are going to give them a try. Hey, cheers to y'all. I bet you these steaks have rested long enough. We're gonna slice them up and see how they look. These are looking beautiful. Give you a close up of them where y'all can see them. Some nice hatch marks. There's the bottom side of that one. They are looking good. See if we can slice these and see how they turned out. Oh yeah. Man, and they are tender, let me tell you. Beautiful fillets. Akaushi beef, guys. Let's try this other one. They're looking pretty. Slice these up, run them in the house. Wife has some side dishes for them. So there we have it. Some beautiful Akaushi Fillet Mignons from Evridge Farms. Guys, these are just lovely looking. Whiskey and steak. Not a cigar smoker, so don't get that to go with it, but it had a nice sear on it. Y'all saw the hatch marks that those grill grates put on top of there, but let's give this steak a try. Oh yeah. That is great flavor, moist, tender. And I tell you, a fillet is not known for having a ton of flavor or a ton of moisture. Y'all saw the marbling before I cooked. These are just very, very good fillets. That was the back side of this one. I'm gonna do the front side of this one. This is the bigger one. Guys, that is great beef. Texas raised beef, I just say it's hard to beat. In fact, I may say it's unbeatable. If you get a chance, run over to beeflovingtexans.com. That's the website for the Texas Beef Council. They had a contest for the 2023 Ultimate Beef Loving Texan. I made the finals. I was in a cook there. So, hey, Friday the 29th of September is gonna be when they're posting it up. Go to their website. They're gonna have 3 episodes. And you're gonna see if Chef Johnny was able to pull it off for the Ultimate Beef Loving Texans with the Texas Beef Council. I was also on there with Danielle Dubois, lovely young lady. She is the Hangry Houstonian. You can find her on Instagram. We had a great time, a great cook over there a few weeks ago. And y'all are gonna find out who the winner is and who came home with that beautiful belt buckle. Anyways, give this recipe a try. Let me know if you did. Remember to share this with your friends and family. Share it on your social media. And we're going to see you down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.